Hello friends, today we will discuss about a very important topic of the pathology, which is neoplasia. At first we discuss about the definition of the neoplasia. So what is neoplasia? The excessive and uncontrolled growth of a tissue which persists even after the stimulus has been removed is known as the neoplasia. The definition: excessive and uncontrolled growth of a tissue which persists even after the stimulus has been removed. The stimulus has been removed is known as the neoplasia. The excessive and uncontrolled growth of a tissue which persists even after the stimulus has been removed. The process is known as the neoplasia and the tissue is known as the neoplasm. Now talk about the types of the tumors. Types of tumors on the basis of the origin. Tumors are on the basis of the origin. Tumors are two types, from the epithelial tissue and from the mesenchymal tissue. From epithelial tissue and from mesenchymal tissue. From the epithelial tissue, it is also two types, benign and malignant. Benign and malignant. The mesenchymal tissue also two types, benign and malignant. Benign and malignant. For example, the squamous tissue which is benign. Example is squamous papilloma. Squamous papilloma and adenoma. The adeno is used for gland and oma, the prefix oma is used for the benign tumors. Oma prefix for benign tumor and adeno for gland. Now example of malignant, which is epithelial tissue, which originated from the epithelial tissue which is malignant. Example, squamous cell carcinoma. Squamous cell carcinoma and adenocarcinoma. Adenocarcinoma. The prefix for malignant for epithelial tissue is carcinoma. The tumors which originated from the epithelial tissue and which are malignant, then the prefix we use carcinoma. Now discuss about the example of the benign tumors which is originated from the mesenchymal tissue. For example, osteoma, chondroma, and rhabdomyoma. Rhabdomyoma. The OMA prefix is used for the benign tumors. Osteo means bones, chondro means cartilage, and rhabdo means skeletal muscle. The tumors of the bones is known as the osteoma. The benign tumors of the bone is known as the osteoma. Now talk about the malignant tumor which is originated from the mesenchymal tissue. For example, osteosarcoma, chondrosarcoma, and rhabdosarcoma. The prefix for malignant tumor which is originated from the mesenchymal tissue is sarcoma, and rhabdo for skeletal muscle, chondro for cartilage, and osteo for bones. Now talk about the mixed type of the tumor. Mixed tumors which is originated from the epithelial and mesenchymal tissue. Originated from the epithelial plus mesenchymal tissue. For example, pleomorphic adenoma. Pleomorphic adenoma means which consists of the glands and the chondromyxoid stroma. Consists of glands and the chondromyxoid stroma. Chondromyxoid stroma. Other example is Wilms tumor. Wilms tumor, which is a triphagic tumor. Triphagic tumor consists of glomerular tubules, stroma, and the blastemal cells. Now talk about the teratoma. What is teratoma? The tumors of all three germ layers is known as the teratoma. What is teratoma? The tumor of three germ layers is known as the teratoma. Teratoma also two types, benign and the malignant. Benign and malignant. Benign is mature tumor and malignant is immature tumor. For example, the dermoid cyst. Benign example of benign dermoid cyst. Now talk about some important terms which is used in neoplasia. Let us talk about the desmoplasia. Desmoplasia. What is desmoplasia? The secretion of collagenous tissue or stroma the secretion of collagenous stroma which leads to formation of a hard mass is known as the desmoplasia. The secretion of collagenous stroma which leads to formation of a hard mass is known as the desmoplasia. For example, the stroma of pancreatic stroma, gastric stroma, and breast stroma, which leads to formation of a hard mass which is known as the Escherichia mass. Escherichia mass. Second important term is anallage. Anallage. What is anallage? The primitive tissue from which an organ develops. From which an organ develops. For example, from the hepatic anallage the liver is develops. From hepatic anallage liver develops. Now talk about some developmental anomalies. Now talk about some developmental anomalies. One is choristoma and second is hamartoma. Choristoma and hamartoma. Choristoma and hamartoma. What is choristoma? The normal type of tissue at abnormal location. The normal type of tissue at abnormal location is known as the choristoma. And what is hamartoma? The abnormal tissue at normal location. Normal location is known as the hamartoma. The normal type of tissue at abnormal location is choristoma and abnormal tissue at normal location is known as the hamartoma, opposite to each other. For example, in choristoma, for example, the gastric mucosa in Meckel's diverticulum. In Meckel's diverticulum, where the gastric mucosa is normal tissue and the location is abnormal, where the gastric mucosa protrudes at the abnormal sites. And for example, in hamartoma, the bile duct hamartoma. Bile duct hamartoma. Bile duct hamartoma, von Meerberg complex. Von Meerberg complex, where the location is normal but the tissue is abnormal. At the location, the bile duct is the normal location, but the formation of von Meyenberg complex is abnormal. So abnormal tissue at the normal location. Thank you.